gentlemen. Coach John, after a slow start, how did you talk to your team and what did you focus on to turn things around that you just held on to throughout the match?
Wala, hindi nga. They're the great defensive team, and we talked about that, and we know that they thrive on their defense. So, which we did do well at the start, we turned the ball over a lot. I think we turned the ball over 10 times the first quarter. Yun yung doon, and we had to deal with their pressure defense. And we weren't able to do that. Mabuti na lang, we kept our composure and poise, and we came back. We were able to get back into the game. So yun yung focus, which we did do in the first quarter. Pero yun, naka-recover naman sila. So, yun naman, nanalo naman.
Thank you, Coach John. Robert, sabi nila dito, Alberto daw. Paano mo nakitang mag-ambag sa kanilang mga paraan ng teammates mo para mabawasan yung advantages at yung strengths ng Magnolia ngayong gabi?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach. Sa mga laro ko, ako yung turnover ata. Yung mga pitong ako. I have to take care of the ball. Pero yun nga, sabi ni Coach, galing lang na may bensa. Championship contender yung Magnolia, may conference eh. So, lalo mga guardia nila, yung mga klase yung pressure. So, yun nga, kaya nga man yung kagandahan ng team namin eh. We're a team. So, kung masama yung laro ko, napipick up yung iba. So, credit dun sa second group namin. Pumasok si Polly, pumasok si Kevin, ganda ng energy si Matt, pumasok. And then yun, nagkakumpiyansa kami, yung defensive game plan namin, sinunod namin. And then, yun, ganda ng pasahan namin. So, everybody had open shots, ang ganda ng team coordination namin. Sana tuloy-tuloy namin ito. Credit talaga sa teammates ko, ang ganda ng nilaraw nila lahat.
Thank you, Berto. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Berto, congrats. Almost 2 years ka na rito sa HXN. This is the first time na twice to beat ka sa quarterfinals. So, big for you and for the rest of the team, especially sa mga matagal na kasama sa HX.
Yun nga, kami yung kung tinignan namin yung pumasok sa top 8, kami yung madaming rookies, bata, pero kami naman yung hard worker. So, proud ako sa mga teammates ko. Wala akong masabi dyan sa mga yan. Grabe trumabaho yan. Kita mo naman, malabas sa laro. So, hindi ko na iniisip yung sarili ko. Gusto ko lang makita sila mag-drive. And masaya ako, nakikita ko sila. May gumagawa rin ng pangalan dito sa PBA. And isa ako sa mga nakatulong sa kanilang mga tinaro nila, which is masaya para sa akin. So, yun yung moving forward sa team. Sana ganito lagi yung nilalaro namin as a team para mag-drive lahat. And sabi ko nga last time, malaki yung swell.
Manager Virgil.
Coach Jong, yun nga nung kanina parang medyo speechless kanina. Is that because of this being a big accomplishment for your team?
Hindi naman, nagugulat lang ako sa team that they are performing very well. Parang, siyempre, trabaho lang, di ba? So, masaya lang ako para sa kanila na nananalo at nabibigyan ng kahulugan yung practice nila, yung hirap nila. Nabibigyan sila ng biyaya. Na ang hirap naman kasi trabaho, tapos walang reward, at least yung panalo is their reward for their hard work. So, kagaya sabi ni Berto, ang sisipag nila, si Berto ang number 1, nagbibigay ng kumpiyansa sa kanila. And that's why they're playing this way. Sana lang yun, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Coach, there was a stretch in the game na parang nagpapahinga si Berto. Doon pa talaga tuluyang tumayo yung team mo. So, ano lang yung masasabi mo sa ginawa rin yung iba while Berto was resting?
Nasanay lang sila kasi yun yung namin eh, yun yung that was yun yung pinagtatrabahuhan namin all throughout the season. How can we, malaking bagay kasi si Berto, pero hindi naman siya pwedeng maglaro palagi 44 minutes, 40 minutes. So paano tayo magiging epektibo na wala si Berto doon sa minuto na wala siya, na nagpapahinga siya. So yun. And then they find ways na lang kung paano sila makaka-score na wala si Berto. And of course, defense will come into play also. Defense will come into play. So yun, and yan, si Berto played 37 minutes, di ba? 37 minutes. So ako mahaba pa rin di ba? Mahaba pa rin, pero ganoon talaga yung play time ni Berto. He needs to be there. Pag naman yung 2 minutes lang, tapos ibabalik mo. Yun yung mahirap
Coach, will you see General Polcati of playing for the first time after allow one? So, malaking tulong din.
Of course, kulang kami ng rotation because of the injury. Si Tony hindi nakalaro, si Dom injured pa, si Reed, maraming kulang. Yung paglaro ni Polly, super sa amin yun, super napagginhawa yung rotation namin. Kasi ang ganda naman ng laro niya, pero yung minuto na magpapahinga yung iba, nag-iba rin yung takbo ng yung energy niya, yung depensa niya. So, yeah, Polly was a very vital role today.
For good to that.
Hindi, mag-up siya. Hindi, pero off the record yun. 1 week ulit. Hindi, off the record yun. Biro lang. Live ba tayo? Live? Sorry. Live pala tayo. Parang blooper yun
Coach, kasi siyempre, first kumita kayo, but of course, pagdating ng playoff, siyempre, ibang na yan. Ibang takbo na nung laro. So, how can you make sure na ma-take advantage itong bonus na meron kayo come the quarterfinals? Against whoever.
Yeah, but our goal naman is always to get better every day. Yun yung goal namin tuwing practice, tuwing laro, is to get better every day. And so far, we've been doing that, getting better every day. Hindi na namin kontrolado kung sino yung makakalaban namin. Pero yung kontrolado namin, paano kami gagaling araw-araw, as a team, as an individual. Kaya sabi nga ni Berto the last time, na yung skill work nila, araw-araw, matyaga. Isang oras yun, every time, sa mga assistant coaches na nagtsatsaga sa kanila. Yun, and it's paying off naman. Pero siyempre, sabi mo iba talaga yung semifinals, iba ng atmosphere yun. Kasi, dikdikan na yung ganun klaseng laro So, we will see what, if we are ready for a semifinals, kung handa kami sa ganung klaseng sitwasyon. Ha? Oo, bakit? Birthday niyo buka.
Swerte yun, off tayo, hindi makapang-pizza.
Coach, Imperto na rin kasi you're on the verge of maging number 1 kayo with another win. So did you expect this? I'm sure kasi hindi na pag-usapan yung fans na mag-number 1 kayo. Ano lang yung first nila ma-achieve nyo yung venture? Kung sakali na.
Wala pa naman, we went to the quarterfinals, hindi naman yun ang goal namin. Now we are probably, sigurado na ba sa semis? Top 4, so top 4. Pero hindi naman yun yung namin Kasi kami, laro lang kami, get better every day. If it happens na manalo at makapasok, okay na kami. Kasi ang focus namin is sa team namin. Paano kami paulit-ulit, paano kami gagaling talaga. Yun ang proseso nung namin, yung how do you say, our objective. Our objective is to get better every day. if that translates, as I said, to a semi-final, to a final, then wala pa kami doon sa team na pagpasok namin, championship ang ano namin, ang anong tawag doon, is the goal. Everybody's goal is championship. Pero bago ka makarating dito muna tayo, di ba? Ito muna, kasi wala pa tayo doon eh. We're not like San Miguel or Ginebra or the other team that have already won championship. But when they come into a conference, alam nila na yun ang goal nila. Hindi pa kami nandun eh. Dito pala nga kami, di ba? So, yeah, slowly.
Coach, good evening. Coach, the last time, I think the first time na nag-number 1 yung NLEX, hindi naging maganda yung ending, natalo kayo sa number 18. So, okay. Psychologically, sa Northport, psychologically may factor bang gano'n?
Next game is what?
Kasi pagdating mo ng semi-finals, twice to beat, may pressure talaga eh. Talaga may pressure. Yun yung sinasabi ko, are we ready for that type of pressure na, you know, it's always make or break. Parang gano'n, yung series na yun, iba yung series eh. So, handa na pa tayo roon. Kasi bago sa aming sitwasyon to eh. Bago sa lahat eh. So, are we ready? And this will be a test kung handa kami. Si Berto handa kasi ilang beses na nandyan yan eh. Pero, his teammates, yung mga kakapi namin, we should be in kumpiyansa at saka alam nila yung ikahaharap nila. Yung haharapin nila sa semis.
Alright, that wraps it up. Thank you so much, Coach Joel.
Kami,
Thank you.